Welcome to Fluent Tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make cover in Photoshop. Let's go. And here I'm going to create 1080 file, RGB color, white color background, create. Okay, and now I'm going to press Ctrl 0 here, and I have a image here and I move it. Ctrl minus zoom out, convert to smart object, enter, create the shape, rectangle, fill color, white, tool, text tool, make some textures, and go to the move tool, place the object, and I select the font as a Arial black, move tool, change the scale, place it, right click on the layer, text layer, blending options, here fill opacity 0, knock on, shadow, okay. Select these two layers with holding shift, make it group. Now make the rectangle, draw the rectangle here, move tool, change the fill color, none, stroke color, white, and stroke size, 10. Okay, click the shape, align to canvas, center, okay. Ellipse, hold with shift, line color none, fill color, pick the color from the image and change. Okay, move tool, place here, enter, move the ellipse under the rectangle layer, make the copy holding Alt and place here. Click this ellipse and reduce opacity little bit. It's fine. Thank you for watching.